Run it up, they say money change. Niggas got some paper, but I'm still the same nigga. Really poppin', I done got my name bigger. I just want some money for the fame, nigga. In the hood, I be with the gang members, sippin' drinks, smoking, poppin' painkillers. Pussy good, I just almost came in and shoot my shot and hit her like a game winner. Shoot my shot and hit her like I'm Dane Lillard. 2 twin Glocks, but they the same gender. She my side bitch, but I'm her main nigga. If she going out, let the gang hit her. Bitch, I'm still me, I'm a real P. Hit a bitch and every bitch to hang with her. This the real me, I'm a real G. I ain't never ever been a lame nigga. Many niggas be bitches, just want a man. Hold on, get me confused with your other man. Try me once and you won't get another chance. We gon' be on your ass like some underpants. Double cup with them racks in my other hand. You ain't talking about money, don't understand. When I'm smoking a new marijuana strand, and you know it came straight from the motherland. Run it up, put them racks